Yo, hey guys, Ken Perriman here, and I'm back again with another product, and it is, well, let me show you. It's these guys that are gonna light up. These guys right here are the Kivditso, and they are real Spain alabaster marble nightstand lamps. And there's a set of 2 of them, as you can see that they're lit up. And look how beautifully they light up the entire room. Looks really good. But what I wanna do is I wanna show you a couple features in here. Everything you see here is what it comes with. And really cool is that you get a shade that you can build. You're like, how does the shade fit in the box? Is the box ginormous? No. What's really cool about this is that this guy actually comes rolled, and you can open it up and you attach it to the rings. It's really cool, and it keeps it from getting damaged. It's really easy to assemble and all that. You got the real alabaster right here, and what's really enjoyable about this is you can turn off the main light, have this kind of night light, or maybe even just have this as your light that turns on, that you keep on through the evening, and let it light up and just kind of gently provide light for your day or your evening, more like. And then of course you can flip this switch and turns everything off. Let's turn them all back on. Now, so one of the things I wanted to show you here, what I think is really cool, is you have a USB-A and a USB-C connection. And let me show you that I got the A connected here, connected to this watch charging, and of course it is 100%. But what's cool is, even though it's 100%, it's still showing that it's fully charged, right? It's under a charge. This, let me pull it off just to demonstrate to you, is still powered. Even though you switched off the lights, it's still powered. So no worries with you wanting to charge up your phones or any of your peripherals that you have attached here. It'll work throughout the night, even though you flip the switches off. Let me add one more item for you. And on top of that, we have a USB-C. And as a prime example, I have these earbuds here. So you go ahead and plug this in here. Nice short cable. Love these shorties here. Go ahead and plug this into the part. Look at that. I know it's fully charged, but there it is. Leave it there. Let it charge up. Again, flip off the lights. Look at that. Still charging. And I love this alabaster look, night light kind of thing. Let's pull this back just a little bit so you can see it fully again. Okay guys, so as you can see the difference between the two, with the one on the right hand side fully lit, the one on the left side is just the lower section, kind of a night light, you know, before you get ready for bed. Let me show you here. Let's do them both this way. Turn it off and look at that. You got yourself a nice set of lights to give you a nice little glow around your bed. You know, maybe you're getting ready for bed and maybe you want to just relax, watch a little TV, you don't, or something, right? You just want to do something and you don't need this blast of this really bright light, which is really good. It's just, you know, with this white and then also reflecting off the top, it just looks really good how it kind of just provides that light there, but you can turn it off and you've got this nice light, easygoing glow. Guys, I hope this was helpful for you. I really do appreciate your time, and I'm out.